Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm just going to show you guys some of the things that's been going on in the past whole month and also this month, and also I'm just going to update you guys about some of the things that's going to be happening in the channel. So during this whole time I wasn't uploading consistently, or I was just not able to edit my videos. I had pre-filmed videos with me, but I just wasn't able to edit them and upload them for you guys because the whole month was pretty hectic for me. So first we had our internal exams, so I was busy with that, and then I went home, and once I was back here I had to shift from our old hostel to this new hostel. So I'm finally in my new room and I'm so happy. Old hostel was I don't know, I just don't have words to describe my old hostel. It was just bad, very bad, and we were promised that we will be shifted to the new hostel since our first year, and right now I'm in my final year and finally we are shifted to this new hostel. And one of the best things that happened along with the shifting is that I have a new roommate and she's my best friend. We have another new member in my room. His name is Blue and I will be showing him to you guys. And so the past whole month just went by so quickly, and I had so much work from college also. This month, of course, October is my favorite month of the year because it's my birthday month. My birthday was on 4th of October, and as always this year again I had some good memories to carry on thanks to all of my friends in my hostel. And I will also be showing you guys some of the pictures from my birthday celebration, which if you have ever stayed in hostel you should know what it looks like. So yeah, so I will be showing you guys all of that at the end of this video, but right now I just wanted to give you guys a small update on my channel and the video schedules and all of that. Right now I've been getting some time to just work on YouTube and stuff, and I thought that I will be editing some of the videos and uploading them and scheduling them for this whole month so that I don't have to always think about YouTube and all of that. Because if you guys didn't know, I'm a college student. I'm doing my 4th BTS and I have pretty lot of work to do from college itself. So by the time I'm back at hostel I'm pretty dead, so it's really hard for me to work every day and all. YouTube is not my all-time work or anything of that sort. I don't earn anything from YouTube. It's just something that I wanted to do and that's why I'm doing it. And now coming to the update, the small update that I wanted to give you guys. October being my favorite month, I thought I'll just start off a new series on my channel, and that is the DFD series, which is DIY Fridays. So basically on Fridays I will be uploading a DIY. I cannot promise you guys that I will be uploading every single Friday a DIY because, as I said, life's been pretty hard on me. So I usually upload on Mondays or Fridays, or on both Mondays and Fridays every week. But I will be uploading DIYs on Fridays, and on Mondays I will be uploading other kind of videos on Mondays. So lots of DIYs are coming your way. If you guys are new to this channel, I really do recommend that you guys subscribe to my channel. And also one other thing that I wanted to say is that thank you to all of my subscribers, like every single one of you, because I had this dream, or what do you say, like this vision of me having 100 subscribers by the time I become 21. So this birthday I turned 21. I have 135 subscribers, which is crazy, guys. I have way more than that, way more than what I expected to have, and I'm super happy and I'm super thankful to God, to my best friends, all of my friends. My friends were my best support and encouragement. I had this dream. I did start YouTube, but I wasn't being consistent, or I was just scared and I was just too shy to just get this thing out there. I was pretty scared and insecure, and my best friends, my friends from school, my best friends here in college, and yes, especially my roommate Callan, these were the people who actually pushed me into the world of YouTube. They told me that whatever they think, just don't care, just do what you want, you're gonna reach where you have to reach, just do it. And it means a lot to me. I just want them to know that it means the world to me. All of your support, all of your encouragement, every single comment you guys give to me, every single time that you guys ask me to do something or to improve on something, it just makes me even more happy. It just makes me feel more comfortable with what I'm doing. Thank you guys. Thank you to all of my friends and all of my subscribers and every single person out there who has ever supported me directly or indirectly, or however, just commenting on my video, just giving a thumbs up. Everything means the world, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much once again. So yeah, that is it, I guess. That is it with the small update that I wanted to give you guys. And so if you guys are interested, then as always, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you guys don't miss out on any of my videos. I think we should just get started with what happened the past month. enjoy all of my previous videos and upcoming videos, and thank you for watching once again. Love you all. Bye.